Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. In this week video, I'm going to show you how to make this jewelry box using Dollar Tree tumbling blocks. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, we're starting out by using Dollar Tree wood glue and piecing 2 tumbling blocks together. We are forming a square. We're going to need 5 squares to make our box. Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel, we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. I would like to give a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Well, thank you for watching my videos. And all my new subscribers, well, welcome to the family. So we made 1 square. We're gonna need 4 more, and we're gonna stack it on top of each other by using wood glue and hot glue. Guys, please comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see on the channel. What kind of content you would like me to create. Okay guys, now we're going to make the bottom part of the box and the top part of the box. So we're gluing together 7 rows of tumbling blocks for a total of 14 rows to make the bottom and the top. Hey lovelies, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite dish for the holidays? What do you like to make and what do you enjoy eating? Drop a comment and let us know. Now we're going to be gluing our 2 rows together to make the top, and we're going to do another set to make the bottom. I'm using this from Dollar Tree to fill in the holes. Now it's time to paint. I'm using the color Elephant by Waverly to paint the box. Now our box is all dry. We're going to be using them Dollar Tree spoons, and I break it in half, and I'm going to use the spoon part, and I'm going to be gluing it to make a pattern onto the box, as you will see here. Now I'm going to be using Dollar Tree diamond wrap, and I'm going to line the box with it, top and bottom. I'm using the diamond wrap to line the top part as well. I'm using the spoons again to make a design. Alright guys, we're all done. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. This is an easy, budget-friendly gift to make for the holidays. Well, thank you guys for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. We have more things to show you guys, so be sure you subscribe, share the video with your friends and family, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.